Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at how to connect Novation Launchpad S to your Android. This works with any Android device that's at least Android 8 and after, if I'm not wrong. And the reason I'm doing this is somebody asked if they could connect a Launchpad S to anything but a computer, because obviously you can connect it to Ableton and all that stuff. But today we're gonna do it with a small tablet here, a Samsung tablet, which is running Android. When you go to your Play Store, you just have to search, as you see here, for Super Lights. Okay, you go here and search for the Super Lights, all in one word, and you will see this first one. When it shows up, it says DJ Launchpad Music Beat Maker. It's made by Full Time Enterprise. At least this one that is working right now for me. That's the company that made it, or the group of people, or whatever. And you just hit open, and what do you need is one of these cables, or we used to call them at least the printer cable. Just the cable that goes here on the side. Is this one is USB powered, so when you connect it to the device, it powers the machine, so it doesn't have a separate power adapter or anything. Let me put this cable on the other side so it doesn't disrupt what we're doing here. Okay. And I'm not liking how this cable is operating, but it is what it is. And you need one of those OTG cables, which is USB in one side, or USB-A, and USB-C in the other side, or depending on the device that you might have. If your device is older, the tablet or phone, you might need the other OTG, which is USB-A to micro USB. Yes, they make them too. Now, I'm not sure if this works on Apple, because I don't have the app for Apple. And I don't have a newer Apple device to try it. My old Apple tablet, I know, is not gonna even try to run this one, so I'm not even gonna bother with it. So let's plug this in and let's see what we're dealing with. Click the Launchpad, and yes, this tablet is a fingerprint magnet. That's not even a question. I don't know if you guys can hear this one, but okay, I have no idea how this one is mapped right now, but I'm going to connect it directly to my speakers and see how that goes. Okay, now it's connected to my main speakers. Okay, now it should be on the speakers. Okay, let me turn the light off, and you see the lights. I have no idea what's on the mapping here, what kind of splices we have on this track, so I'm just gonna go through with you and show you a little bit more once I turn off the light, so you can see the movement a little bit better. Okay, now the light is off, and what we're talking about here is the lights. Okay, so Now, in the app side of the things, I don't know why the light went this low, which is not supposed to, because I did not tell it to auto-adapt light. Wow, these devices have to listen a little bit better. So, this app, I should have probably told the app in the beginning, but I was having too much fun. And it opens, and you go here. It has very intrusive ads. Let me warn you for that. So that's why I'm not going to change my track right here. But here are some of the tracks you have on the beginning. You click see all, and as you see, when I click to download a new one, the ads are extremely long and intrusive. So I suggest you don't click ads or try to get new tracks if you don't have time. Let me go to the app again and get back to where we were. Just with regular stuff. We're not going to do anything fancy. Okay. And let me show you the lights again. It says connected, which is for this here. And this is the app. Now, I'm not going to go in more detail because I don't want to bore you out of your minds. Just one looking at a tablet and a piece of plastic here. But yes, these are the workings of this entire thingy right here, and in my opinion, this is very beautiful. I think it's worth it if you have one of these Novation Launchpad S and any tablet, or you could work with your Android phone. It doesn't necessarily need to be a tablet, but anything Android over, I think, 8, it should work just fine. And you could just go on Play Store and download this app for free. If the app is free, you can buy it within it. If you don't want to have the ads like I do here, being a cheapo like me, you can go buy the full version, and I think they don't do the whole ad stuff that you're seeing right here. And yes, these bits and pieces that you're seeing here, these packs are pre-cut for you. That's the beautiful part of it. Right now we are talking about, this is inspired by Game of Thrones remix, it says right there. And this is actually beautiful that you can remix it yourself or redo it. And it has different palettes and all that stuff, as you see here, look. As you see, it's accompanied with the lights corresponding to the press of the button. And you have all the basses and all that good stuff that you need. As you see, look. Now, this was the video for today, and I hope you learned something. And yes, this is how you connect your Novation Launchpad. I think some other Novation Launchpads work as well with Android on this app, but I know this one works for sure. And these are quite cheap, actually, if you want to start in music. These are quite cheap on eBay. You can find them sometimes under 30-40 bucks. It depends. And yes, you can connect them to Ableton and do your own music bites and all that. And you can do a lot with this one. It doesn't look like a lot, but you can do a lot with it. Trust me, it's a very capable device, and it's a very sturdy build. You can really hit on it, like... As you see, I'm talking about really hitting it. It's built like a tank. This here is a zero flinch. So, with that said, I hope you don't mind liking and subscribing this video if you got anything out of it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!